Welcome everyone to the Top Foreign channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you an incredible opportunity that has enabled people from all corners of the world to make money using a particular website. And the best part, just like all my other videos, the information I'm about to share is completely free of charge. There's no need to pay or provide any upfront investment whatsoever. So sit back, relax, and make sure to pay close attention to each and every second of this video, because I'll be sharing some bonus tips and tricks that have the potential to double or even triple your online income. Let's dive right into it. The first website I want to introduce you to is File Upload. This platform offers a unique way to generate passive income. But hold on, File Upload is not the only website I'll be discussing today. In fact, we'll be combining File Upload with a few other platforms to maximize our earnings. So, it's crucial that you keep watching and refrain from skipping ahead. Trust me, this method works, but you need to follow the steps properly for it to be successful. To access File Upload, simply click on the address bar of your web browser and type in fileupload.com. As the name suggests, this website serves as a free cloud storage platform for your data. However, what makes File Upload stand out is that it goes beyond just storing your files. It allows you to earn money whenever someone downloads the files you've uploaded. The more downloads your files receive, the more money you can make. Curious about the earning potential? Just click on the Make Money section on the website. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can see that File Upload pays up to $7 per 1,000 downloads, depending on the location of the downloader. Now, you might be thinking that $7 isn't a substantial amount. However, here's the exciting part. File Upload attracts millions of monthly views, as confirmed by similar web data. Countries such as Egypt, India, Indonesia, and many others contribute to this significant traffic. This means that File Upload is available worldwide, opening up a world of opportunities for individuals who aren't based in Europe or North America. But wait, there's more. SimilarWeb also provides us with valuable insights into the website statistics. In the past month alone, File Upload has witnessed over 20 million unique users visiting their platform. So, even if you're getting paid $7 per 1,000 downloads, considering the massive volume of traffic, you have the potential to accumulate a substantial number of downloads. However, that's not all. In this video, I'll also be sharing a secret method to help you drive additional traffic to your uploads. By implementing this strategy, you can potentially double or even triple your income. Trust me, it's a game changer. So make sure to keep watching because I'll reveal this valuable information later in the video. Another fantastic feature of File Upload is the ability to check payment proofs right on their website. If you still have any doubts about the legitimacy of File Upload, you can easily find and review these payment proofs to gain reassurance. Now, before we move on to the next step, let's address an important consideration. To get started on this website and begin earning money, you'll need to create an account. It's a simple process. Just look for the sign up link and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your desired username, email address, password, payment information, and complete a quick verification process to confirm that you're not a robot. Here's a quick pro tip. I highly recommend creating a new dummy email account specifically for registering on websites like File Upload. This helps you avoid cluttering your primary email inbox with promotional material and ensures that you don't miss any important emails. Personally, I find it extremely helpful to use a separate dummy email account for such purposes, and I strongly recommend that you do the same. Before we proceed to the next step, I'd like to point out an interesting observation about File Upload. When you click on the option to choose your preferred payment method, you'll notice that the website offers a wide range of options, including PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, WebMoney, and many more. This means that not only is File Upload accessible worldwide, but it also provides the flexibility of receiving payments through various channels. So, are you excited to embark on this income-generating journey with File Upload? Great, but remember, we're not done yet. There are more websites and strategies I'll be sharing with you to enhance your earnings. In the next part of this video, introducing another website that serves our purpose, we have free PLR downloads. Access the site by typing free downloads. In your web browser's address bar. Free PLR is a well-known platform where you can freely download products with product label rights. PLR allows you to modify and claim these products as your own. The website offers a wide range of products across different niches. For this video, we will focus on the relationship niche as an example. However, you can make any niche work for you. Upon selecting your niche, you will be directed to a web page displaying products within that niche. Look specifically for ebooks, which are considered the best type of product to use. Once you find any book, such as the one I found on Marriage Help Guide, download it. After the download is complete, return to File Upload to upload your files. Click on Upload Files and select the desired file. Start uploading your files to free upload so that people can begin downloading them and you can earn money. To boost your download numbers, I'll show you how to leverage Instagram. Create a new Instagram account relevant to your chosen niche, like I did for the relationship niche. Set up your profile picture accordingly and include your download link in the bio. Use the settings option to access the website section and paste your link. Additionally, include niche-related keywords and an enticing call to action like grab your free ebook below. Once your profile is set up, focus on increasing followers and posting content. To gain followers for free, use the search bar on Instagram and type in keywords related to your niche, such as relationship. Open relevant pages and click on followers to follow users who are interested in the niche. Similarly, search for posts using the same keywords, either downloading them directly or from the pages themselves. Upload these posts on your account, crediting the original source. As your followers and posts increase, more people are likely to click on your link. The key now is to grow your account and attract more visitors to your link. Watch your PayPal account fill up in no time as you implement these strategies. Before we wrap up, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for future content on this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.